Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chacha and today I'm going to show you how to make mango float. This is so easy to follow, so stay tuned. Here are the ingredients we need. 3 ripe mangoes, 2 cups cream, 1 cup condensed milk, 1 1/2 crushed graham crackers, and 5 to 6 pieces of graham crackers. So I found these sweet, yummy mangoes at the Inter-Asian market. I don't normally see this here in regular store. I mean, they have mangoes, but it's not the same as this one. This is the type of mango that I like to use for my mango float. So this is the technique that I use to remove the meat of the mango. You just need to use glass, and there you have it, easy. And just continue doing this procedure, and after this we're gonna mix the cream and condensed milk. So to mix the condensed milk and cream, you can use a regular mixer. In my case, I have an electric mixer, so why not use it? But seriously, you can even use whisk to mix condensed milk and your cream. For my second can of cream, I did not use the measuring cup because the measurement of 1 can of this size is equivalent to 1 cup. And here's another way to mix the condensed milk and cream. For my first layer, I like to put first my graham crackers, and then I followed it with cream and then mango. But there are some, they like to put the cream first, then graham crackers, and then their cream, and then mango. Either or works. It will come up with a delicious mango float. So here is the layer of graham. Now let's go ahead and put cream on top of this. Make sure that you evenly spread the cream. When it is done, you are ready to put your mango on top of the cream. You can use thong or your hands in placing the mango, but I like thong because the cream is so thick and I don't want it on my hands. There are so many ways to slice your mango. Some they like it in cube, and some they like it in round, and some diagonal. But mine, I like it this way. So it's really up to your choice. Whatever ways of slicing your mango is up to you. It does not matter. For me, what matters is the sweetness of the mango. If the mango is kind of like sour, I kind of don't like that. I want my mango sweet when I use it for my mango float. We are almost done on this layer, so please continue watching. Friends, this is our first layer. We are ready for our second layer. Same as what we did in our first layer. So put your graham crackers, put your cream, and then mango. Same procedure. If you like to add more cream, don't be shy, go for it. So we are done with our second layer. So we are now ready for our last part. So the last part is your graham crackers, cream, then mango. But after that, on top of it, you place your crushed graham crackers. After you place all the mangoes, the last part is you have to put the crushed graham crackers. And I use blender to crush my crackers. This is the last part of my layer, but there are some that they like to put cream on top of the crush, and then they put mango as the last part of their layer. Here's my easy to follow mango float. Take a slice, enjoy it, but please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.